Principal Sir, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Y. Pranosai. I study in class 3C, roll number 47 in Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 SVN. Today I am going to speak a few lines about Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. Republic Day is a national festival of India. On this day, the Constitution of India came into force on 26 January 1950. India became secular and democratic country on this day. Since then, we celebrate the Republic Day every year. Republic means the citizen of the country holds the supreme power to elect representatives. In the past 72 years, our country has gone through many changes. The command of the country came into the hands of the people and the country became democratic country. So we must respect our Constitution of India. We should greet each other and pray for the development and prosperity of our country.